This video is to show you how to install the Ives CL12 in 60 seconds. Before we start with the installation, we have to realize the most important aspect is to start with the installation instructions, which basically tell us we must leave 3/16 of an inch between the face of our stop, which is also the face of the invisible touch latch body itself, and the face of the door. Any less than that, this isn't going to work. Let's move on. Now, following all the instructions, let's get it attached to the jamb. Here's our operating latch to show proof of concept. It's installed, it's latched, now it's unlatched. There you go.